To install your XT cylinder inside of the T-handle, you'll start by inserting your operating key into the cylinder so you can rotate it and press in the latch so you can slide it far enough for it to pop out and lock in place. You'll then want to drop this in and tighten the set screw to hold it together. You can now slide it in and use your key to unlock it so you can fully seat it. Then you'll add the stop washer, the locking washer, and lastly the 3/4 inch nut you'll need to tighten down with a 3/4 inch socket or wrench.